Okay, time now for this hour's car review. I had a very nice experience with the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, it comes in several trim levels, including SE, SEL, the Limited, and the Calligraphy.
Oh.
I reviewed or am reviewing the hybrid Calligraphy all-wheel drive. This is a mid-size SUV, although it looks like it is a full-size. It does seat up to 7, including the driver. So it does have a third row. Exterior changes, redesigned in 2024. This is a 26, so not much changes between the years since its introduction as a new vehicle in 2024. Exterior features, straightforward design with bookend daytime running lights, edgy designed fender extensions, sloping roof line, horizontal, body-wide lighting on the lower rear hatch. It makes it really unique. What I liked about it, the boxy, edgy design. It's just different. It's not like all the other SUVs you see out there. What could use improvement? Nothing that I can think of, and I just put down here, keep it coming. Bring more of this. It's really cool. Interior highlights, 2 feet of screen and a glove box. Well, look at the size of that screen. Okay, it's 2 feet long. And the glove box is there, obviously, on the passenger side. And yes, it's a separate one at the top of the dash. Dual pad phone charger. See it down there at the bottom?
Yep.
Dual pad phone charger. Loved it. Comfortable seating throughout. The air conditioning gets a separate panel for its controls.
Wow.
Thank goodness. All of these manufacturers seem to be doing to this minimalist design. And if you're driving the vehicle, now you've got to take your eyes off the road and fumble out and try to find whatever it is that you're looking for.
Drill down through the screens.
It's just not good.
No.
As a matter of fact, I've got a story on that a little bit later on. Cargo trunk room, good with the third row down. You got the third row up, well, it's tight back there, but that's what it's designed for. What I liked, the design and comfort gets high marks on this vehicle. What could use improvement? Give me a volume knob for the radio.
Oh.
There's one thing that it didn't have. Engine, ready? 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine that turns out 231 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque, which was plenty.
Yeah.
With a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it will tow up to 1 ton. Mileage, city 35, highway 34, for a combined of 34. I got 32.6 miles per gallon over 394.8 miles.
Very good.
What I liked about it, the mileage. Ride and handling, very nice. Comfortable and compliant. Nice highway attitude, I wrote. What could use improvement? Nothing. It's all good. Okay, so here are the prices for you. You ready?
Yep.
The base trim price is $52,500. That's the base trim price. As tested, $52,985. Base model price, $36,400. Competitors.
Wow.
Kia Sorento, its cousin, $38,690. Toyota Highlander, $48,964. Mitsubishi Outlander, which I never would compare this to, but its close competitor, $29,995. So there's a widespread figures here for these different vehicles. And my recommendation to anybody that's out there looking for a car, do your homework and shop, shop, shop.
Absolutely.
One may be everything that you wanted, but you can't find the volume, the radio volume control knob because it doesn't have one. If that's an issue for you, then go to something else because there's too much competition.
Right.
And especially in this size SUV. Next week, I'm going to review the Toyota Corolla Cross.
Oh.
Which is kind of a itty-bitty,
Teeny
not
weeny.
too itty-bitty, not too teeny-weeny crossover. But it's called a Toyota Corolla Cross.
Give us an insight. Was it sporty? Did it drive well? Give us a hint.
It drove well. I'm not going to tell you any more than
Okay.
that. You'll have to stay tuned for the review.
Call you Bobby Sparkman.
Well, I can tell you that we're going to go to Lukenbach.
You drove it all the way to Lukenbach.
I did not drive it to Lukenbach. I can only imagine what they would say.
To the point of that review, in what sold for car review, it was sold for cars, Hemmings?
Yeah.
The last vehicle that you said was George's, it's sort of similar to that one you just reviewed.
Yeah, the
Kind of
Land
the
Rover Discovery.
$150,000 one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 150,000.
Yeah,
That was
a lot of people were shocked. They
86
were
years old or something.
sending
yeah.
text. No way.
I will tell you that this vehicle, I drive a different vehicle every week, and it's impressive to see how far the automotive industry has come in a general. But Hyundai, they have come a long way, baby, in a short period of time. They are a serious contender, and they sell a lot of cars, and for a reason,
Yes.
because they hold up and they're priced right.
Are they building a factory here, a stateside?
Probably,
Okay.
they all are. All right.
Because of the tariffs.
Well,
Well,
there's that.
not only that, just shipping.